These top 4 Halloween dog costumes will give you nightmares. The last one is straight up terrifying. But first, you'll be lucky today if you like and subscribe to my channel in 4 seconds. Top 4. Ghost Pup. The ghost of light. Glowing, spooky, and somehow still adorable. Top 3. Zombie Hound. The undead. This one looks like it just crawled out of a graveyard. Top 2. Rescue Rover. The ambulance, sirens, lights, and a heroic twist you didn't expect. Top 1. Chucky Bulldog. The Bulldog. Chucky, tiny, terrifying, and ready to haunt your dreams.